Coming up next and brought to you by Nizini.
How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch rose, and I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Kelly, she's my patient.
I'm gonna just do a voiceover.
Hello.
Then I was like, hurting yourself.
We play entirely too much. Like, let's just dye this hair and get on with the program. We had stuff to do.
I've been frustrated before, like at school.
Xander, has your hand been shaking like that since you hurt your hand?
It's been like that for a while.
Oh. And how much to say you see? It's like $137. It's $137.
You two, take it easy here. I'll be back in a bit, okay?
I need you to go down.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel it? Feel it. East Coast, feel it. West Coast, feel it. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel it? Baby girl. East Coast, feel it. West Coast, feel it. Can you feel it? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel it. Say what? West Coast, feel it. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got the East Coast, feel it. West Coast, feel it.
I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. You are my prey. For I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know one of these days we gon' hook it up.
Not this little beat of
Not gonna blog with me doing no makeup because I don't do it.
excuse me. I'm about to get my makeup done. So y'all, I'm heading to the restaurant now. Oh, I need to brush my lashes. Yeah, kish. We're on our way to the restaurant. Keisha on the makeup. Yeah. Get at my girl. Period. We're on our way to the restaurants. I'm on time. My reservation was at 7, but I told everybody 6:30 because you know how they be on their own time and not the time you tell them to come. So yeah. Enjoy some of the city lights.
Your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let.
Wait, hold on. Hold it back. Yes. Oh! Yes. What the hell? What is this? Oh!
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Knowing I want another nigga you was fucking with. We going OT, coming back, thinking we like damn, but still. You ain't let another nigga come and get you pregnant. I just put up on the side. Ay, I let it get surprised. I'm on the program because of my eyes. I can't even tell you nothing but you lie. Yeah. I had to cut my ties. I can't even tell her nothing.
I'm tore up already. Me and school, we tore up in here. Yeah. I brought school with me, I'm already drunk. Me and school, we tore up in here.
I'm not gonna run now. Just gonna stay here. And baby, when I see you, I'm sexy boy, so sexy boy. When I see you, around you, boy. Now it's on my mind, you're on.
And I just wanted to say I had the best birthday ever out here overseas with it. Everybody that came out with me made it the best. I really enjoyed my time. Peace. Thanks for watching the vlog.
We having sex soon as I get my bitch back. It ain't gonna be sexy when I get my lick back. I'm about to mop up some boys, it's custodian time. Me and my thoughts is the loneliest time. Don't tell me about loyalty, show me this time. Don't tell me about loyalty, show me this time. Business is business, you owe me this time. Slime on your head, Nickelodeon time.